Struggling with oil contamination? Want cleaner fuel and better engine performance? Meet the MAPX Oil and Water Purifier, the game changer for marine and industrial fuel purification. In industries where every drop of fuel matters, efficiency is everything. MAPX is the next-gen oil and water purification system, trusted worldwide for its unmatched reliability and performance. Designed for marine power plants and industrial applications, MAPX ensures your fuel stays clean, efficient, and free from harmful impurities. What makes MAPX special? High-speed centrifugal separation removes water, sludge, and solid contaminants effortlessly. Fully automated operation, set it and forget it, reduces manual intervention. Energy-efficient technology saves fuel and cuts operational costs. Heavy-duty and long-lasting, built for harsh marine and industrial environments. With state-of-the-art centrifugal technology, MAPX keeps your fuel pure, extends engine life, and boosts efficiency. How it works? Simple yet powerful. Step 1. Oil enters the purifier, carrying water, sludge, and impurities. Step 2. High-speed centrifugal force separates the contaminants. Step 3. Clean oil is released while water and sludge are safely removed. The result? Crystal clear oil, reduced engine wear, and a system that works flawlessly 24/7. Where can you use MAPX? Ships and marine vessels. Keeps engines running smoothly and efficiently. Power plants ensures clean fuel for uninterrupted power generation. Industrial machinery removes contaminants from hydraulic and lubrication systems, extending machine life. Oil refineries and petrochemical plants enhances the quality of refined fuels by separating water, sludge, and particulate matter. Mining and construction equipment keeps heavy-duty machinery running by preventing fuel contamination. Why choose Rigil Marine? Premium quality and engineering. Our products meet the highest industry standards. Reliable after-sales support. We ensure smooth operation and maintenance. Cost-effective solutions save fuel, time, and money. With MAPX. At Rigil Marine, we don't just sell products, we provide solutions that last. Get MAPX today. Ready to upgrade your purification system? Contact Rigil Marine today. Visit our website www.rigilmarine.com. DM us for inquiries at info@rigilmarine.com. Invest in cleaner fuel, better performance, and lower costs with MAPX from Rigil Marine.